Are you thinking of building a pool or possibly purchasing a home with a pool? Let's take a look at the pros and cons of being a swimming pool owner. Hello everyone, so happy to be here with you. This is Meral Ibrahim, broker associate with Coldwell Banker in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. I've lived here for 40 years as a transplant from London, and I'm passionate about the Palm Beaches. So come join me to discover everything about communities, lifestyles, and some real estate. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you love the Palm Beaches like I do, click on that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I make a video. Do you dream of owning a home with a swimming pool so you can entertain your friends and family and throw a party for 4th of July, a birthday, or even Labor Day? Well, with a pool, that's all possible. So let's look at the full picture, the pros and cons of being a swimming pool owner. Pro number one, exercise. Swimming pools are a great way to get some exercise into your schedule no matter what your age. If running or walking or going to the gym is not practical, then this no-impact form of exercise that you can get from a swimming pool is a good alternative, not to mention the sheer convenience of getting your exercise any time of the day or night. Even if you have suffered an injury or are pregnant, the buoyancy allows your body to be held up without placing any unnecessary stress on your joints. But always check with your doctor before you start any activity in the pool. Pro number two, it can increase your home's value. In warmer parts of the country, such as Florida, a swimming pool is many times on the want list of a buyer. Understanding that a home with a pool will add to the cost of purchasing a home as much as $20,000, the added value is something that you can benefit from in the resale appeal of your home. Pro number three, great for cooling off. When the weather turns hot and those long summer days seem never ending, nothing can beat a dip in the pool. When you have a swimming pool, you don't have to worry about the hassle of packing your stuff and driving to the community pool or a public pool where you may have to pay a fee to enter. You can simply go for a swim whenever the mood hits you. And if you live in South Florida, a swimming pool can be a year-round source for recreation. Pro number four, your personal oasis. Water is known to be very calming, so having a swimming pool in your backyard can make a place feel very zen. From listening to the soothing wave-like splashing or a waterfall feature, it will work wonders on your psychological health. When you install a swimming pool, you are not confined to one or two options. Nowadays, they can be customized to suit your exact preferences from the pool's shape, size, and depth. You can also select from a number of lighting options, tile designs, and pool placement. So while owning a swimming pool in your backyard provides a convenient source of fun for the entire family, you will be on the hook for regular and sometimes costly maintenance. So con number one, lots of maintenance. Pools have to be treated with chemicals to keep things like bacteria and algae from taking over. Now, you do have the option to pay a monthly fee to a pool service to manage these chemicals for you. But even if you do it yourself, you still have to pay for the chemicals. On top of that, you must regularly skim the water to remove debris such as leaves, twigs, and insects. You also have to clean the pool filter. Repair bills can be considerable too. If your pool suddenly leaks, you could be looking at a cost of $1,000 or more to get it professionally repaired. Con number two, a pool can present a hazard. They can be dangerous with small children around. That's why most parents of small children prefer not to have a pool at their home for fear of a toddler drowning in it. According to the Safety Council of Palm Beach County, drowning is the leading cause of death across the world for toddlers aged 1 to 4 years, and the majority of these deaths occur in swimming pools. If you choose to own a swimming pool, make sure you have the proper safety fencing and door locks installed on your home. Con number 3, insurance. Your homeowner's insurance may not cover your pool, so additional insurance may be required. Owning a pool brings increased responsibility and liability risk, as well as potential for damage to your home and backyard. So check with your home insurance provider to find out what is covered and any exclusions you should know about. Con number 4, a swimming pool takes up yard space. When you have a small backyard, you may end up having to choose between a yard or a pool, but not both. And if having space for things like sports and entertainment are important to you, or if you have pets, you may not want a pool. Con number 5, you may not see a great ROI, that is, return on your investment. While a pool can increase the value of your home, that does not necessarily mean you are going to see a worthwhile return on your investment. So if you decide to install a pool, do it for your own pleasure and enjoyment and not for the possible investment value. As you can see, buying a home with a swimming pool comes with many pros and cons. So it's important to consider the pros and cons of being a swimming pool owner. If you liked this video, check out this one and consider subscribing to this channel if you want to find out more about living in the Palm Beaches communities and some real estate. Thank you for joining me and see you next time. Bye.